Teaching the scientific method using pennies. Look how dirty this penny is. Have you ever wondered how you could make it clean again? We're going to use the scientific method to figure out how we can create an experiment to test how to make pennies clean again. The scientific method is actually used in any science experiment. There's 5 different steps. Find a problem, make a hypothesis, create an experiment, analyze the data, and draw a conclusion. If you'd like to follow along with the experiment, I'm going to show you what materials you need. You will need vinegar, salt, soap, water, 4 plastic cups, 4 dirty pennies, Sharpies, and some labels. You also will need paper towels. The first step in the scientific method is the problem. The problem is the question we want answered. In this experiment, we want to know how this dirty penny can change into a nice, shiny, clean penny like this one. We want to know which solution is going to give us that result. We have 4 solutions we're going to test. We're testing salt water, salt and vinegar, soap and water, and vinegar. The second step is the hypothesis.
A hypothesis is an educated guess. My hypothesis for this experiment is that salt and vinegar will clean the penny the best because I believe it to be the most acidic.
After you make your hypothesis, it's time to test the experiment. During the experiment, you will need to gather all of your materials. In this case, we need labels, Sharpies, 4 plastic cups, vinegar, salt, soap, water, and 4 dirty pennies. The first step in the procedure is going to label all of our different cups with the 4 different solutions we're going to be testing. In this case, we have salt water, salt and vinegar, soap water, and vinegar. After you have written all your labels, you're going to place one of them on each cup. After labeling all the cups, you're going to make the 4 different solutions. Then drop a penny in each solution and wait 30 seconds. The 4th step is to analyze the data. This means to look at our results. You can see here the subject is taking the penny out one by one. When analyzing our results, we want to see if any of these 4 solutions clean the penny the best. Take a closer look at all of them. You will notice that the second one looks much shinier than the other 3. Now we can make our final conclusion. In this case, the solution that cleaned the penny best was the one that had salt and vinegar. Let's do a quick recap of the scientific method.